Welcome to my channel. I am Ben, the business analyst expert. In today's video, we're going to listen to the great lesson by Dr. Steve Maraboli. Don't waste your life. Live it to the fullest.
You know, I'm so fortunate that at a young age, right when I got out of the military, I volunteered at veterans hospitals. And I got to spend time with people who were at the end of their days. And I've always said since then, you want to learn how to live. You want to learn how to live well? Hang out with people who are dying. So whenever I'm asked that question, what advice do I have for a life well lived? I answer that way. Many people experience the travesty of regret in their end days. The realization that nothing held them back, that nothing was in their way, that there's no one to blame, only themselves. So I ask, what are you waiting for? Don't just sit by waiting for your life to happen. Make it happen. Don't just hope your dreams will come alive. You breathe life into them. Don't let your fear help you birth a well-nourished regret. Take action today. Be amongst the few who dare to follow their dreams. The cemeteries are full of unfulfilled dreams. Countless echoes of could have and should have. Countless books unwritten. Countless songs unsung. Don't choose to walk the well-worn path to regret. Live your life in such a way that when your body's laid to rest, it will be a well-needed rest from a life well-lived, a song well-sung, a book well-written, opportunities well-explored, and a love well-expressed. You want advice? And my advice is that there will always be fear. Do it anyway. Let your courage inspire the world around you. Nobody ever talks about the pyramids that weren't built, the books that weren't written, the songs that weren't sung. Stop letting your fear condemn you to mediocrity. Get out of your own way. Your dreams are a poetic reflection of your soul's wishes. Be courageous enough to follow them. There's no greater time than right now to experience the full power of your potential. Make this the day you take the first step in the beautiful journey of bringing your dreams to life. You want advice? Today is a new day. This is your chance, your moment. Dare to exhaust yourself with all the opportunities of this day, all the opportunities that this day offers along the path to your dreams. Live courageously bold. Live in such a manner that at the end of this day, at the end of this year, at the end of this precious life, you can hold your head up high, smile, and be proud of a life well lived.
Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and don't forget to click the notification button. I hope you guys learned and enjoyed this video. Thank you, and have a great day.